Alright guys, let's cover the editor real quick. I'll replace this with some standard text. Bold, italic, underline, pretty straightforward. You can hit Command B or Alt B. You can click them. You can of course click them. You can of course combine. There's underline and italic and bold. Pretty straightforward. If I want to link these words, I can do this. So there you go. Now those are a link. You can see it changes color as I move over it. The smiley menu is right here. This lists a few smileys in golf companies. If you want to see all of them, you can choose smileys, and there are all of them. If you want to choose golf companies, there are all of them. Of course, there are keyboard shortcuts for all of them, like this is the basic one. I think so. There's Adams, TaylorMade, etc. Okay, so there are actually keyboard shortcuts. Those you can see as you, I believe, if you hover over them. Yep. So there's the keyboard shortcuts for them. Okay, that's smileys. This puts a horizontal line in case you want to divide some text up. This will quote, of course. I think a lot of us know that. It's important to note too, any of these blocks, you can see this grabber thing, this little plus sign kind of appears here. This is how I can drag it around. So if I want to drag the quote around, right, I can do that. Command Z or Alt Z also will work, and undo, which I just did there. This is a spoiler. You'll notice if you hover over each, it'll tell you what it is. So there's a spoiler. Let's undo that. These are ordered lists. This is actually an unordered list. The ordered list is right next to it. If I want to nest them, I can do that. That was just a tab key. Shift tab will take me out, and I can hit return twice or something to get out of the list. This will let me add code. You can choose, all kinds. Cool. Strike through, pretty straightforward. Exponents and I'm not going to finish that. Exponents and obviously subscripts. That's not even factually true, but we'll go with that. This will indent and outdent. Oh, I'm still in. Oops. Turn that off. Change the indent levels. These obviously left aligned, center aligned, right aligned, justified. This is your font colors. This is your font size. That didn't change much, obviously. Okay. This will cut, as you can see. This will copy, but we have to have something selected. This will paste. And you'll notice I can paste all that, and it's still in there. And if I paste formatted text, I can remove the formatting, right, like that. And then you'll see, of course, what copy does. Right, copy, 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 return, and paste. I just used a keyboard shortcut for that. And then I can undo and go back and cycle back through everything I've done for quite a while. There's a limit to how many undos you can do, but that's the editor. Okay, hope that helps.